So for those of you who watched my last video, you probably knew this one was coming. Basically, when I tried to remove the sticker on the side of my tank on my MT07, I really made a hash of it. So this is a video on how to fix it. First thing I'm going to do is plug in an extension and run it outside to the bike. I'm going to plug a hairdryer in to warm up the sticker and make the glue a bit softer. Definitely don't use a paint stripper for this, those heat guns will blister your tank in seconds. Always fully unravel these as they can get hot in the middle if they're drawing too much current. A zebra print hairdryer is optional here. I'm just going to hold it gently above on a medium heat and gradually warm up the sticker. It should only take a minute or two. It only takes about a minute or two and the area is warm enough for this to be working. I check every 10-15 seconds or so to make sure no area is getting too hot. It's actually pretty hard to do this whilst filming, so I'll skip forward to when I've completed this. Thanks to the heat, the consistency of the glue was more like honey rather than just dried on adhesive. I should have done this the first time round. Now we need to remove the adhesive mess that's left behind so it's back in the garage. Some people use WD-40, that might work. However, Goo Gone is something that's not very common in the UK, although we can now buy it on Amazon. It's made in the USA and it's literally made for exactly this. You can remove chewing gum from carpets, you can remove adhesives, stickers, vinyls. It's perfect for the job. Some people have recommended using white spirit, paint thinner or even brake parts cleaner, which I think is way too strong for your paintwork, so I'll be using this. I decided to put Goo Gone straight onto a paper towel and then apply it gradually and carefully. I was worried about the red sticker on the side of the tank that I didn't want any adhesive remover to get on or near. After 5 to 10 minutes of dwelling time, the adhesive pretty much wipes off, although I did repeat the process once more to make sure it's thoroughly gone, and then washed with warm soapy water as recommended on the bottle. Well, all complete and took less than 20 minutes. My garage is full of products made in the USA and not very well known in the UK, so I'm going to do more videos on products that I think work well, as they might be able to help a lot of people. But if this video did help you, feel free to give it a like and a comment. I'm always happy for any kind of feedback, and stay tuned for more.